How to get Meta AI on Instagram. Meta AI is available in new update of your Instagram, so you have to simply update your application at first. For that, simply launch your app store on your device, then on the searching bar search for Instagram and see if any update now button is available or not. If you see update now button, then simply hit on that to update your application. Once it is updated, simply tap on open or open your Instagram application from your home screen. Once you are on your Instagram application, make sure that you have logged into your account. Now you can go to any user and then type @Meta to activate your Meta AI on your Instagram. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.